Hello, integral community of beautiful people. My name is Maya Lewandowski, a visionary, multidisciplinary artist and founder of La Caravane Dance Theater. I lead holistic approach to performance art, name Free Your Natural Voice. It is a method that integrates movement, voice, and meditation practices to unlock profound creative expression and self-discovery and become a work of art. The topic I offer for this workshop is the sounds of pleasure. And I want you to find your true expression and explore the entire spectrum of the voice, from primal sounds to the divine resonance. And based on my method, you will be able to access the sounds of the earth and the sky and everything in between. Participants will also have the opportunity to embody the experience of how the energy of the various structure stages from the integral theory shows up in the human voice. And they will also have the opportunity to notice and map out where exactly they tend to show up and explore the edges of their own growth. I believe embodied practices are essential to the journey of finding wholeness in this world. After all, we all have a voice. We all have a heart. So we can all sing. And when we truly free our voices, a healing takes place for ourselves, for the others, and for the planet. The sounds of pleasure. With movement, meditation, improvisation, and harmonies, we will create an uplifting and joyful experience of attunement and alignment.